You've been thinking about investing for a while. You've seen the headlines, stocks up, crypto down, gold surging, AI changing everything, and you're wondering, where do I even start? Here's the truth. Most people never start investing because they're overwhelmed. Too many options, too much jargon, too much fear. But guess what? Starting today, we're going to cut through the noise. I'll walk you step by step through how to start investing in 2025, even if you've never bought a stock in your life. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin, what to invest in, and how to avoid the biggest beginner mistakes. And make sure to stay until the end. I'll share one mindset shift that could literally change your financial future. Before we talk about stocks, crypto, or ETFs, we need to talk about your foundation. You wouldn't build a skyscraper on sand, so don't build your investments on a shaky financial base. Here's what to do first. Pay off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Set up an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash. Clarify your goals, retirement, buying a home, financial freedom. This part isn't sexy, but it's essential. If your car breaks down or you lose your job, you don't want to sell your investments at a loss. Most people think investing is about picking the right stock. It's not. It's about having the right plan. In 2025, we have more investing options than ever, but that also means more confusion. Let's simplify it. Here are your main asset classes as a beginner and how they work. Stocks, ownership in a company. High growth, higher volatility. ETFs and index funds. Diversified bundles of stocks. Perfect for beginners. Bonds, lower return, lower risk, great for balance. REITs. Real estate investment trusts. Own real estate without the hassle. Crypto. Risky, volatile, but innovative. Start small. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, invest in an index fund like the S&P 500 ETF. You'll own a piece of the top 500 US companies instantly. Warren Buffett says most people should just buy index funds and forget about everything else. You're ready to invest. Now, where do you do it? In 2025, these are the best beginner-friendly platforms. Robinhood, easy UI, zero commissions. Fidelity or Vanguard, more traditional, trusted institutions. SoFi, public, Webull, great for education and mobile access. Coinbase or Kraken, if you want crypto exposure. Look for platforms with low fees, intuitive interfaces, and automatic investing features. The best platform is the one you'll actually use. Let's build a portfolio you can start today, even with just $50. Beginner portfolio example. 60% in an S&P 500 ETF, VOOSPY, 20% in an international ETF, VXUS, 10% in US bonds, BND, 10% in crypto, or cash. Want it even easier? Use a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. They'll build and manage your portfolio automatically. And don't forget to rebalance once a year to keep your investments aligned with your goals. Don't try to time the market, let time work for you. One of the biggest questions beginners ask is, how much should I invest? Start with what you can afford. Even $10 a week is better than nothing. The key is consistency. Set up automatic deposits. Use dollar-cost averaging. Let your money grow while you sleep. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how often you do it. Here's the truth. Your mindset will determine your success far more than any stock pick ever will. Adopt these principles. Be patient, stay diversified, ignore hype and headlines. Keep learning. You're playing the long game. Don't panic during a crash. Don't FOMO into a spike. Stick to your plan. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. If you made it this far, you're ahead of 90% of beginners. You're ready to start building wealth. If you got value from this video, tap the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more step-by-step investing guides on the way. And drop a comment. What's holding you back from investing in 2025? Let's talk below. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, invest wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.